Of course, it's the audio side. We're going to do a review of the Mi Note 10, the audio side of this device. Let's begin max volume YouTube application. That is loud. That is very, very loud. From 1 to 10, I'm giving it 9 score, good quality, great loudness, a small bug which I'm gonna mention and maybe even show you right now that in some audio, maybe it's like a YouTube audio codec with some videos that it's a bit distorted with the Mi Note 10 ninjas. Let me just show you. There you go. This one example. Yeah, it's a bit distorted on maximum volume. Now it's fine, around 80% it's fine. Okay, ninjas, so this also I tested with different videos, not just with this one without something in the background, it's just only voice, but with some other stuff which had like a different sound effects. Notice this small bug with the Mi Note 10. I don't know if it's a bug of the Mi Note 10 or of the YouTube videos, ninjas. I didn't notice it so far. Anyway, let's move on. For now, it's really amazing what kind of really great quality. It's a shame that it doesn't have a stereo speakers. There's no sound coming from there. Headphone test. Ninjas, from 1 to 10, I'm giving it 9 score. I'm having $8 Xiaomi Pistons, very cheap headphones, and the quality is so deep. The bass is really clear. Yeah, this is also beautiful, beautiful sound. From 1 to 10, giving it 9. Again, really great output from 3.5mm headphone jack. It's not the volume, it's not low. Don't worry about that. Okay, FM radio station works just fine. You have to use the FM radio, basically the headphones first. Then you can turn it to, let's see here, switch to speaker. You can see myself. Then you can switch it to the speaker if you want to do that. Anyway. Okay, just recorded something with the mic, with the voice recorder. Let's check here the mic quality and loudness. 1 2 1 2, this is the mic check. Hope you're having a good day. Recording a full review of the Xiaomi Mi Note 10. My mouth is 40 centimeters away. 1 2 1 2, my mouth is just a few centimeters away right now. Mic check of the Xiaomi Mi Note 10. My name is Mohammed. Thank you. Oh, nice. From 1 to 10, I'm giving it 9. Very loud the microphone and good quality. Thank you, Xiaomi. For $500, I do expect this quality. Mi Note 10, of course, it does have the MIUI native screen recorder, but again, still, it's really crazy. I don't know, can somebody answer me how to enable, or if is it somehow manageable to do this 60 FPS, some kind of hack tool or something to use it. Video quality up to 20 megabits per second, resolution 2340 1080, but frame rate still only 30 FPS. Don't get it why they don't unlock the 60 FPS, bro. Okay, ninjas, I noticed maybe a bug or something with the YouTube, but some YouTube videos, example, have that kind of a small sound distortion with the Xiaomi Mi Note 10, but other videos don't have it. There's no distortion at the maximum volume. Example. No distortion here. No distortion over here. Maximum volume. Example, this video has a small distortion, sound distortion, check it out. Now, a bit, you see? So it depends what you're watching, ninjas. Maybe it's kind of an audio codec or something like that of the YouTube YouTube video which they uploaded or something. I don't know how to explain this bug, but it's there, ninjas. It is there and it is noticeable with some YouTube videos.